Alright, gonna get it started. The update video should be up, so this is for Adam Echelon 500. What's up, bro? Here's these boxes I promised you. SP Game Used, the other ones I'll ship sealed, but these are the ones. Cosigners, SP Game Used, Echelon. Start with the 08-09 cosigners.
Not much room, and
yeah, I still got all the other breaks on the table, so it's working with limited room. That's that split card. You don't have to split it, but it's Greg and Darren Williams.
Changing faces. Mix and match customizable.
You can make your own card. Gold.
Gordon, 91 and 99. What is that? That's the... Oh, they're spraying lines on the street. That totally...
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Ray Allen and Yao Ming split.
Okay. They're painting street lines.
Hate to be following them.
The car's covered in paint.
Hamilton, Brandon Roy.
Okay. Cell phone in the back. I'm not going to worry about it.
Jared Bayless, Kevin Durant. Manu and Andre Iguodala.
Okay.
Are these things numbered?
Oh, some of them are to $3.99.
$3.99. Yeah, that was a different color than.
Yeah, the other ones I don't think are. Oh, they are.
$8.99.
Okay.
Okay. Well, $3.99 is the low.
That's a $3.99 one.
Manu and Andre. Jason Richardson to 99. Joe Johnson, Elton Brand. Mike Dunleavy to 99. 299. Russell Westbrook, Gilbert Arenas. Yep, 8.99.
Okay. Where are the hits?
Yeah, wasn't there supposed to be autographs or something in here?
Hopefully two. Hopefully it's in these last two packs.
Antoine Jameson.
Here's one. Oh, nice. Vince Carter,
Dominique Wilkins.
That's a nice duel right there.
43. 35 of 43.
Number to 43. That's nice. Save the best hit for last. That should be a hit too, actually. Hopefully. Yep.
Courtney Lee.
Autograph.
350.
Cool.
Okay.
Alright. Not too shabby. Next we'll do Echelon. Based on pricing. This game is a little bit more expensive. Take off the diaper. There we go.
Alright.
4 packs. 4 hits.
I'll cut my hand off.
Here we go, Adam. Pack 1.
Iguodala. AC Law.
And?
Baron Davis. 43 of 99.
Okay.
And Baron Davis.
Base.
Thank you, sir.
We have another. Looks like a redemption or something. I don't know.
Rick Barry. Joakim Noah.
Yep, redemption. Marco Bellinelli. Don't show the back.
Okay.
Marco Bellinelli. Okay, let me see it. I'll just make sure. Oh, it doesn't have the numbers on the back, so you can't show the back.
Well, doesn't matter. The front looks better.
It's a Marco Bellinelli dual jersey auto. Okay. That's what that will be. I think in 08, 09, not 07, 08, 08, 09, they started doing where you didn't have to mail it in.
Chris Paul, Orlando Tucker, Nick Fazakis, $4.99. Kobe
Bryant. It's a blue.
25 Ben Gordon.
Okay, those are cool looking.
Follow.
Oh, Bill Russell.
Bill Russell.
That's nice. Dual jersey auto.
$10.99.
Nice hit.
And Ray Allen.
Nice what he in that box. Alright. Now we'll do the SP game used. 0910.
One Summers rookie. Chris Paul, Allen Iverson jerseys to $4.99.
There's the 8-way. Oh, here's an auto.
Robin Lopez auto.
Jordan Legacy and the 8-way.
Baron Davis, Marty Collins, Zach Randolph, DeAndre Jordan, Jason Richardson, Orlando Tucker, Louis Amundsen, and Robin Lopez.
Okay.
Nice and colorful.
4-4. Pack 2.
Chris Bosh, Kevin Garnett, $4.99 jerseys.
Another auto.
Alexis Ajinko.
Jordan and a base. And the 6-way.
Devin Harris, Ben Gordon, Vince Carter, $2.99. And Gilbert, Dirk, and Richard Hamilton.
Okie dokie.
Doggy Daddy.
6 and 8-way.
To 155, Rasheed Wallace, Dwight Howard. Jerseys.
Yep.
Tracy McGrady, Yao, Shane Battier, Louis Gala to $1.99.
4-way.
Oh,
Triple.
Joe Kim, Nicholas Batum, Al Thornton. Is there a number on that?
Joakim Noah and Al Thornton. I don't see one on that one.
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
67 of 75.
Okay.
Cool. Jordan and base.
Nice triple.
Let's see. Karl Malone, David Robinson, Horace Grant. Jerseys to $2.99.
Redemption.
Walter Sharp, no numbering.
Water Sharp auto. Okay. Autograph.
Jordan, Malone, Robinson, and Elijah Wan to $1.99.
Cool.
Jordan base.
There's a Jordan piece. That's always nice.
Patches, yeah. To $99. Keith Bogans, Richard Jefferson. That's cool.
Yeah, that patch looks really nice.
The other one.
Stitching on the other one.
Andre Miller, DeLambert, Iguodala, Brand. 125. Joey Dorsey.
And Jordan. Last pack, Adam. Will be
Paul Pierce, Carmelo to $4.99. Tyrese Thomas, Swift, Shaq, 125 jerseys. Dante Green, jersey auto.
Okay.
Is that number?
No,
Nope.
no, that one.
Weird looking Jordan and base.
And base.
Lots of hits.
All right, there you have it, Adam. I appreciate it, man. I'll actually get these sorted for you and shipped with those sealed boxes today, man. Thanks again, buddy, and we'll talk to you soon. See ya.